Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Southernmost Point Buoy's birthday, September 10th. The Buoy's got his birthday hat on today. 39 years, established in 1983 by Billy Pinder, one of our locals who created this landmark that is one of the most photographed landmarks in the United States. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Southernmost Point Buoy. Happy birthday to you.
Woo, let's hear it. As always, we welcome you to the island. We're doing a benefit for the Samuels House, who helps families and kids. We're also sending money to the Northernmost Point. That's an Angle Inlet. It's just an amazing way that Key West wants to appreciate this buoy that's 39 years old. The main point is helping the kids, and that's what's most important, and celebrating this iconic monument here today.
It is 19 plus tons, 10 feet tall, and it's made out of coral rock, concrete, and a sewer main.
Thank you very much, everybody. Happy birthday, Buoy.